Hi, I'm Bruno, Demonstration Chef for Bertha. Today what we're going to be doing is Bruno's Naughty Burger. Let's be truthful about it, okay? I'd always say use a reputable butcher for your burgers, okay? Literally from there. If you are making burgers at home, you've got to be ever so careful really, to be fair. Mince it straight away, literally. Build your burger and cook it straight away. Don't want anybody getting ill from burgers or anything like that. Okay, so we've got a beef chuck and bone marrow burger, okay, from our butcher, okay, which is absolutely great. Got a few components. I was gonna go not lettuce and tomato, but we've put a little bit of lettuce and tomato in there, okay. I've got Bruno's Naughty Onion Ring. From that point, okay, so I've already got one ready done, and then I'm just going to finish this one off. So we've got some streaky onion, couple of layers of onion just underneath there. Salt and peppered that. Literally from there, you could put a nice little bit of rub over that as well if you wanted to. And all we're doing is just literally keeping on wrapping that pancetta and smoky pancetta just around from there. You can have a little couple of skewers just to make sure that then, particularly from there as well, it doesn't come out. So then from there you can see Naughty Onion Rings ready. Okay, we've got some great Lancashire cheese, just a mild, okay, from there. And then what I have done is I've marinated some ox cheeks. We've then cooked them, so we marinated them in mustard powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt and some sugar over them. Okay, just a little quick sprinkling. Then they've been in a water bath, 12 hours, 85 degrees, and you can just see how absolutely great they are just there. Okay, excuse me. So from there as well, got a nice little bit of naughty barbecue sauce, just homemade. Brown sauce, tomato sauce, a little bit Tabasco. We've also then, what we have done within that as well, is put some smoked paprika just at the back of there as well, and a little bit of ginger. Okay, that's all ready. Also as well, sorry, a little bit of soya. Let's go and cook. Bertha should be up to temperature. I'm looking around about 250, 300 degrees just there, ready for Bertha. Let's go and cook. Happy days. Okay, let's get the burgers on. Reached around about 290, just there now, okay. It's going really, really nice. I've just oiled and salted my burger, just there, straight on, you can see, already, boom. Nice. Fantastic. And then, let's just get that on as well. Just there, ever so nice. Done. Keep an eye on it, keep turning it, just there as well. And then literally from there, we'll bring it up to temperature, make sure it's right. I'll put my ox cheek just on as well, okay, from there. So when the ox cheek's there, we'll then start to build it and get it ready, okay. See you in 5. Okay, so what we've done is turn the burgers a few times there, just over, made sure onion rings are ready as well. Literally from there, we're just going to build the burger now, give it a couple of minutes, and then literally from there we'll be able to plate and go. Okay, what I have done is I've just ever so gently warmed up my ox cheek with my barbecue sauce. Ox cheek just over, just like that, really naughty and luscious. You know, you can do this with absolutely any sort of burger really, to be fair. If you're doing pork, you might want to do some pulled pork over that. Absolutely stunning. Doesn't have to be barbecue, it could be a little bit of chili, sauce, anything like that really. Just look at that. Naughty bit nice. Bit of Bruno naughtiness. Living the dream. Lancashire, just over. What we're going to do is just keep an eye on that, just to get it dripping, just down. Happy days. Beautiful. Let that just start going just there. And as we can see just there as well, how good do they look. Just an absolute onion ring of loveliness. Fit, beautiful. See you in a couple. Okay, so just about to build, need to build it. Just gonna take them out. Cheese should be absolutely gorgeous, just melting, just dripping down, absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, phenomenal. So we're ready inside to build, okay? Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Let's not waste that, love. Get that on there. Onion ring. Stunning. Onion ring. Stunning. Let's go and build it. Okay, so here we are. Just going to start building. Okay, I've already toasted my bun just there, just on the chars as well from there. We've got our lettuce, our tomato, just nicely seasoned up. Just a little bit of vinegar just over the tomato, just to let it start to zing a bit. We've got our lovely pulled cheek, which then there's no point in wasting it, so we might as well do a nice little layer just on top there. You can put your mayonnaises in, you can put your salsas in, you can put your mustard in, everything from there. You can go even double if you want as well from that point. It just depends upon yourselves. I mean, myself, I'd probably go double. But from there, let's just have that on there. Absolutely fit. Hey, you never know, after this, Bruno's burger might be there, living the dream. Absolutely stunning. Might as well just have that in there, just to finish off. Beautiful. Happy days. I'm going to tuck in.